My article is on overfishing. Intense amounts of fishing of mostly larger fish doesn't just make the population of the fish smaller, it changes the remaining fish. When the fish that get a chance to reproduce before they are caught are smaller and have reached sexual maturity earlier, these characteristics are inherited by the later generations. In many populations of fish that are under the effects of severe fishing problems, the sizes of fish have been shown to be decreasing, and the age that they reach sexual maturity at to have been reduced. This is a problem because fish are a very relevant species in the aquatic food web and ecosystem, so changes in them can have bigger consequences involving the entire ecosystem. The Academy of Finland research fellow Anna Kuparinen from the University of Helsinki researched how fishing changes how the aquatic ecosystems work. Simulations that describe how the development of the ecosystems focused by fishing indicated that when intense fishing causes fish to get smaller and become ready to mate earlier, the production of plankton turns unsteady. Likewise, the population of the fish and the offspring they produce waver hugely from now and next year. If the changes that the fish go through are genetic, the stability of the population of fish and the area ecosystem cannot be recovered from, even if all fishing was ended forever. Studies show how important it is to consider the entire ecosystem and indirect effects on other species. When the impact of fishing is measured, the many food chains leading to fish form complex food webs. The better we understand this complexity, the better we understand how fishing impacts fish and the environment, says Professor Neo Martinez from the University of Arizona. My opinion on this whole thing is that overfishing has many bad effects. And if it keeps going on, then the fish will become smaller, so we have to catch even more fish, eventually driving them extinct. Everyone is involved in this issue because fish are important in the ecosystem and fish give important resources. What happened is that the fish are changing, so there are negative effects on the entire population. Overfishing has been happening for decades, maybe even centuries. It is an issue because that is happening in places globally. It is happening because fish are an important creature/resource, so it's fished by the masses. It's able to happen because fish are a common healthy food and fished for oils, scales, and shark fins. What do you think about the overfishing issue?